started out in the work world when I entered the GIS doors in 1987. I was placed in the photo library. I was a library technical assistant then. I enjoyed working in the photo library because it allows me to interact with different persons. I had the opportunity to interact with from the Prime Minister down to the persons coming off the street. I decided to serve at the GIS because I view GIS as a training ground for whichever career you want to enter. My job entails research work, where I research photos and video footage for production. Back in the days, we used to go on outings. We had a vibrant sports club. We used to travel far. That is how I get to know my country, because some of those places that we visited, I would not have gone there without going out with the GIS. Those days were fun. Attending CARICOM Heads of Government Summit when it was held in Jamaica. It was memorable because I got the opportunity to interact with my Caribbean neighbors. The GIS has impacted me in a positive way, in that I am now well-rounded. I can be fitted in any department of the agency. I've learned so many things, and I hope the GIS would continue to impact on many more lives to come.